everybody, it's Diane from Tattered Edges Design. I'm back again with this little collage book that I just started. And I had nothing going on, so I'm going to do another page. And just for the record, I did go back with some black, actually it was just a pen, and went over those suns a little bit, so that I think that looks better. Okay, on to the next page here. Let me get a clippy thing. I did cut out a barn swallow here. And I don't know if I'm going to use this or not. It's some kind of child's art. It was printed in a magazine. Isn't that kind of neat? Actually, I love looking at kids' art. They come up with really clever ideas, I think. So I don't know. Do I want a 2-page spread? I don't know. Like I said, I'm not even sure I want that together. I don't know. And I just grabbed some magazines. Thinking about just a color back here. So after viewing this last little collage book video, did you run out and make one and start one? So, yeah, that's really cool. It is fun though. It's kind of a nice diversion from everyday baloney, we'll say. Here's some green, lighter green, I mean. No. No. Oh, that's kind of cute. Yeah, turn your stuff over. You never know what you might find. Interesting. I don't know if it goes. We'll think about that. You're on standby there. This is a Birds and Blooms, by the way, in case you didn't figure that out already. I got this at my still closed store. What am I going to do if they don't open? But we won't think about that right now. It's another state thing down there. Can you see that? It's Texas. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Well, that's kind of interesting, isn't it? Okay, can you see that? It's all fuzzy. They're talking about where I go to see birds. Yeah. Well, alright, we'll take Ohio just because there's nothing on the other side I want. Come over here. And just to kind of pull this together is the idea there. Actually, this color is good here. When the bees stop by the blooms in your backyard, you know it's a sign of a healthy backyard. I didn't know that. Yeah, it's too busy back there. But even, I know what's going to happen. Yeah, now we have too much busy on top. We move him up a little bit. Does that do something? Yeah, actually that's okay. I don't know, something or paint, or what about these roses right here? Yeah, ask me if I brought paint, you know, back here yet. No. I went ahead and put it away from this first session, thinking I was done. I didn't know I was going to come back. Oh, it's pretty. It's getting too busy. Yeah, that's kind of too much up there. Well, that's not bad. What about the white space though? Do we want text in there, or paint, or both? Well, I would say the way I usually operate, I would put text back there and then possibly paint over it. I want some blue. I think some blue in this. I think that's too light. Robin egg blue. It's, no, it's too dark. That's not bad, but I don't think there's enough of it. Yeah, stop putting text over the blue I want. Well, alright, if there's text over it, would that be okay? Probably not. We'll try it, but I don't think I'm going to like that. It's okay, but no, I don't really like it. And blue in here, there's some blue there. Oh. Yeah, that's much better. Alright, you go over there, we'll save you for something else. Yeah, I think I like that better. Not that I couldn't paint over that, but if I'm going to paint over it, I might as well just use white. What about some of that blue over here? Because it's like there's too much color on that side. Yeah, that's something. Alright, I'm going to pause and glue, and then we'll come back and see what we think. Okay, it's glued. I did a little fudging from how I left you, but it's more or less. I decided I wanted both edges of this torn, so I did that, and it left a little gap there. So I just took what I tore, a little bit of what I tore, and glued it in. That's fine, neat. I mean, it's okay. This area kind of bugs me. This is a little plain. So this blue that we didn't use, I was thinking, would that be something somewhere? Maybe? I want both edges torn. Yeah, but does it look like you're supposed to be reading it? Which, that doesn't make much sense. Reflected sunlight. That's a little little more interesting or thought-provoking there. Or even this way. No. What else are we saying here? Window. Because you can really read it. If it was smaller print or something, I wouldn't worry about it, but you can really read it. Yeah, okay. See, there's green on the back of this. No. Well, that's okay there. Or even... Yeah, even what, Diane? What else are we saying here? I don't like that. Well, this one just says Murfreesboro Tennis. I assume that's Tennessee. Well, this isn't going to work. I'm going to have to get out the paint, I think. This is okay over here. I don't mind that. Maybe we'll take the narrow one and put it over there. And yeah, actually, if this does work, I may not paint on this one at all. All right. Now this. Just look down there. That's too low. All right, what is it? It's bugging me. Tell me what it is. It shouldn't be into the flowers. What is it? Yeah, maybe just a little bit down there. All right, that's better. I guess it was more placement. Did you ever do that? Trying to, compose whatever, and you know it's not right, but you don't know why. Okay. All right. Let's get rid of this clip. It's kind of distracting. Are we done? You want any kind of paint? Yeah, maybe some gesso. All right. Pause and get the gesso. Okay, it is here. I didn't even get water. And just now as I turned the camera on, I was thinking, oh, maybe do I want a shape as opposed to just blobs? Because it's kind of blobby over here. Let's use our little glue stick stand. Yeah, actually that's pretty good. I think I needed a little more paint on there. That might be almost adequate. Just one over here. Make it kind of even, balanced, so to speak. All right. Well, what do you all think? I think that's fine. I think it's fine. It's fun. It's cute. And I wasn't even thinking, it's sort of blue and orange, and that's sort of blue and orange too. All right, kind of nice, springy, and nice break for a gray January day. Yeah, it did get cloudy if you watched the last video. Alright guys, there it is. Collage number 2 in the little mini collage book. Thanks for joining me. Have a nice day out there.